Hey guys, I've decided to start a YouTube channel to track my trading history month by month. A little bit about me. I'm trading just crypto right now. Literally my first month. I've got no clue what's going on. I'm gonna give myself, a year or a year, 2 years, 3 years maybe, and see how this trading thing goes. Might fail, might be good, who knows? But basically, what I'm gonna try to do is keep a monthly tab and upload my trades and the history with my trades and just see how it goes. And you guys can follow me on my journey or not. Okay, so basically, what my basic strategy right now that I'm starting off with is I'm following the trading channel. So if we just go here, the trading channel, I'm basically following his sort of double top strategy where it's a continuation pattern. You find the trend on a higher time frame and a lower time frame. You follow the trend essentially and you wait for a pullback for it to form either a double bottom or a double top. Enter on the double bottom and essentially you're going to scalp that peak of the previous higher high or the previous lower low. Yeah, that's basically my strategy. And during the first month, here's my spreadsheet here. I didn't really follow it too well, you know what I mean? Like, I'm just starting, so whatever trades I saw, I kind of took. I chopped and changed some strategies here and there. But here's my spreadsheet here for the first month of January. Basically, I'm putting the dates, the ticker, whether I'm long or short, the price I get in, the price I get out. I'm putting here my stop loss, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to calculate my risk to reward ratio. So P&L I'm not really fussed about right now. I want to make sure that this risk to reward ratio is positive, so that means I'm profiting, right? And with my account, I'm starting with a $300 account and I'm risking 1% of my account each trade. So I'm risking $3 per trade. Transaction fees and all that bullshit, I'm not really too concerned of right now. I just want to get that methodology right. So basically, that's a little bit about my account so far. And I just want to show you guys a couple trades that I've taken. Let's start with the bad trades. So basically my losses, you can see if we just follow this, with my losses I've got a little bit of note taking right there. I've got my higher time frame and my lower time frame, and you can see it was a bullish sort of run here. I've entered on fuck all signals, there wasn't a signal at all, and basically what I was trying to do was to go to the next point of resistance, I'm assuming, back there, but there was no entry and no entry signal, no double bottoms. I was just doing whatever I could at the time, right? So that's number one there. Atom, same shit. You can see I've got like EMAs and a bunch of random bullshit, and it says I had FOMO, went in a shorter time frame instead of my actual normal time frames. But again, I wasn't really following much strategy at the start of the month there. And, even as you got towards the end of the month, it says I looked for a double bottom. Double bottom was not legit because, the first bottom was higher than the lower bottom or something like that. I'm not really too sure. And yeah, look, you can just see it's just very sporadic. I'm not following a plan too well during my first month. That was my shit trades, and you can see if I go to the graph here, my charts, you can see just how much reds or losses I had. So all up, I've lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 losses, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins, or 6 greens at least, right? So 6 positives. So you can see the risk to reward ratios. The percentage win isn't that great. It's like a 30%, 30%. But if we really just calculate the risk to reward ratio, I'm only down 3. 3R. So you know what, it's not bad for the first month. Obviously I'm still learning. And let's go to my wins. I just wanted to show you, you know, some of these are shitty wins as well. So you can see I've got Matic. It's a bad win because essentially, so I put up the stop loss too high. Should have been down here. Okay, so it would have been a better risk reward. And I exited early as I did not want to break even. Yeah, so basically I exited too early and fucked up that trade, right? So just a little bit about that. But you can see this one, I'm pretty proud of this one here. I actually entered, you know, a bit earlier over here and I got stopped out twice. But then I saw this sort of pin bar develop over here. And I was like, you know what, let's just take this trade and see how it goes. So we had a nice 3.5, 3-to-1 risk to reward from that, and that was the most successful trade of this month. Okay, so all up, just to wrap up, P&L we've lost around $12, and risk to reward, or the R ratio, we've lost around 3. That's my first month, and I'm just going to continue to track. I'm going to try stay a little bit more consistent with my actual trading strategy, my double tops and my double bottoms for a continuation pattern. Look, I am going to stray away and do some other stuff with support and resistance, purely price action. But I'm going to make sure that in the notes file here, I record, you know, what I do if I'm following the strategy or if I'm not following the strategy. Okay, so if you guys sort of want to follow my journey and see what's up, you can always, you know, like the video, subscribe, and yeah, there's no guarantees I'm even going to be successful, you know what I mean, with this shit, but you know, give it a go for a year or two, try and be consistent, and see where this can take me, right? Cool.